Obad, Grendel's mother. You left 6 cent on the sheet, Geet. Damn your thigh salamander and my weakness for armed men. You pledged a solemn sword, mare-mate, spelunked my pits, slippered into my nights, heart-hassled me. Now you turn from swamp stink, from paternity, boast of defeating demon-daring darkness. Once I begged of you, oath me, oath me. How I loved you then, fool femme, wanted a boast bastard. Say Merwith, say Lady Greenhair, take my dare, blood-drunk Christ worshipper, enter my lake lair, lie with me a little Beowulf. Oh, sun killer, monster fucker, once we tussled like siblings, we wrestled, brother. You tasted my mouth, sweeter than sex slime, before the cross came between us. Now you are afraid the world will see Grendel has your blue eyes. He strays to your throne night after night, howls for his father. My enemy, it is meet that we meet in the mead hall where you ripped off his arm, bled the boy dry. Fie, I come for your life. This is the weregild price, cost of a son. Bearskin wearer, grave digger, you twisted plates that once shone gold. You called my breath foul, my skin scaled, defamed my beauty, named me fiend form, bent back my neck with iron, cleaved until the soul sank. Breast broken, sword stabbed, I fled to peat and bog, unmothered, deity of the dead. But you did not kill me, king. Damned, I am reborn. Fire-tongued dragon dream, I'll yet come home. Goddess of the chthonic swamp, church defiled, witch suckled, I'll take my slow revenge. Liege, I will lie no longer under your poem. I'm poison. I spit flame on you and the dawn dogs flayed to escort your death ship boat trip to the underworld, Dane. You're going down.